Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica. I am here with my Erin Condren launch day planner haul part 1. I did make 2 different orders on launch day. This was the second order that I made and it came first. I did get an email regarding my first order. There was some production issues with the A5 agenda or the A5 planner that I ordered. So that will be coming a little later. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I got in this particular haul, and then of course when the other haul does, or when the other order comes, I will make a video about that. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. First thing is the Erin Condren newsletter. I love getting these because it previews everything that's going to be coming up with Erin Condren. I have a little sticky note right here because this is my 15% off code. Yeah, I'm going to use it. Especially this summer because there are so many things coming out this summer. And I love the theme. It's beach. You know, I'm so ready for summer after this past year. I think we're all ready to just have a little fun, but carefully, but very, very carefully. So let's open this up. Let's see. Dreaming of summer. We're embracing summer wanderlust and visions of sunlit seasons full of travel and adventure. While we wait until it's safe again, we plan to enjoy the mood-boosting experience of dreaming and planning for summer fun. Definitely, definitely. My 4-year-old Lily, she always asks me, Mama, can I please take you to the beach? And I'm like, yeah, baby, please take Mama to the beach. So I'm so ready to go to the beach, you guys. I love this. This is the vision journal and the petite planner travel journal. If I'm not mistaken, I think you can order this. You can order both of these on the site, and I'll leave a link to those below. And then here is a word search puzzle. Cool. Love it. I'll probably do that later. And then 5 summer inspired adult friendly activities. Wonder if my favorite's on here. Probably not. So we're going to open this up. And then they are featuring some of the EC affiliates, which I love, you guys. And this is a way also to discover new content creators that feature EC. So I absolutely love it. I was actually featured in one of their monthly newsletters, and I was so grateful. So grateful. And this is Miss Heart Breathings. I love her. Sarah Marie from I think she's Sarah Marie Plans on, I'm sorry, you can't even see. Sarah Marie from Sarah Marie Plans. She's a big time budgeter. And the monthly planners are coming soon. I will place as soon as those are available for us to tell you guys. I'll make sure to put a community post and Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. Shameless plug. And then these are some of the kids planners, which I'm really thinking about getting Lily one. I mean, although she's 4, structure is a big part of her day. I find that she does best with structure, so we want to make sure that we keep that routine going. And then the academic planners are coming up. My daughter, she's actually going to go back to school, so she's definitely going to need an academic planner, and so is, you know, my son. I try to prep him as early as I can because he will be going to the 8th grade. Oh my God. In the 8th grade, yes. And then all of the wonderful things that are coming out this summer. You have this A5 agenda that will hold your 7x9 planners. You guys, I'm definitely going to pick that up. I love that, especially for travel. I love that. The new Star Wars collection. My daughter is a huge Star Wars fan. And then this particular item here is the desktop drawers. I need anything else on my desk, but you know what? I'm gonna get it. This is the sticky notes ball, which is cute. I love these. I love these, the stand-up pencil cases. I'm loving those. And then the ballpoint pen set. I'm not a ballpoint pen writer, but hey, those look cute. And then this is the Poly Folders 3-pack. Okay, I see you. The EC seasonal surprise box. When you see this video, it is live. Okay, I will have a link to this in my description box. I did not get chosen to review it, but I am going to purchase it and I will bring my honest review. Again, this right here is the magnetic dashboards. Okay, available in weekly schedule, habit tracker, and productivity options. Those are going to be $7.50. Also, the seasonal surprise box is $40 plus free shipping. Let's see, this is the lap desk. Okay. Yeah, and this is going to be $88. Okay. Okay. So it has a cushion. You can put your I'm assuming you can put your laptop on here. I'm going to assume this part is the cushion. That little box right there is storage. This looks like something pulls out. I'm not really sure. And then some desk organizer things. So yes, summer is going to be super lit with EC, you guys, but I'm excited for this. The vegan leather folio that will hold your 7x9 planners, and according to this, it will hold 12 and 18 month planners, and this will be for $38. I don't know if this is going to be the only color. Are they going to have multiple colors? But I definitely can't wait to use this. I cannot wait. Hopefully you guys will love me enough to go click the links, use my affiliate link so they can send that for me for review. And then this is, of course, their EC Gives Back, and this is Asian Pacific. I don't want to get this wrong, you guys. Asian Pacific Heritage. Please don't. I don't want to get that wrong. If I did, I am so sorry. And these are some of the covers, and I have these in my cart ready to go. And then some more EC affiliates. I love all of these ladies, especially Tamara and Amanda's favorites. I love them both. Okay, so that is the EC newsletter that you will get with your order. Now let's get into the haul. I've talked long enough. Okay, the first things I got are free with purchase, and these are the Mid-Century Circles ballpoint pen. This was available for EC Insiders on launch day, and if you were not an EC Insider, it was available your launch day. So I did get this, and then this is the clear pouch. I'm not going to take it out. I'm not taking these out because I'm actually saving these two for a giveaway. I did get these also with my first order, but I made a second order so I can get these for a giveaway. So that will be coming really soon. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But these were free with purchase. These are cute, handy. If you have not had one of these pouches, what are you waiting on? Like, they fit around your planners. They hold a lot. They hold a lot. Pens, the little small scissors, like these scissors will fit in here. They're little glue sticks, white out. So it holds a lot. So don't sleep on the pencil pouches. Okay, so I ended up getting the Flora washi tape. I got 2 rolls of these, and one will be for a giveaway really soon. Okay, so I did pick up 2 of these that I thought they were really pretty, very aesthetic. So yeah, that will be, one of these will be in a giveaway along with the other items. I'm collecting stuff for a giveaway if you can't tell, but I'm actually going to use these as well. I also picked up 2 more rolls of the Mid-Century Circles washi, which I will be putting one in a giveaway. So I'm excited about these. I did get one with the planner launch when they sent me the planner for review. So I did pick up these. I also picked up the Flora bookmarks, the snap-in bookmarks. I did get these. So I really wanted them. So of course I got them. And you just snap these in to mark your place. And I also picked up the Just My Type as well. And there's one missing, and you'll see why in a minute. Okay, but I did pick those up. And then I picked up some sticker packs, the teacher sticker packs that says the influence of a great teacher could never be erased with the black accent. I picked these up to use in my teacher planner next year. I love these stickers. They are very cute, very functional for me in my teacher planner, so I love using these. And if you saw my Instagram, you know I picked up the Flora sheets. These are the sticker sheets that come in the back of your planner. So I did pick these up. And if you, like I said, if you saw my Instagram, you know I was very upset at everybody that got a Flora planner and did not hype these stickers up. I mean, did not hype these stickers up, because these stickers are gorgeous. I did not realize how gorgeous they were. People were just like, and there are stickers in the back of a planner, so you don't expect them to be like overwhelmingly beautiful. But when I got these, it was like, wait a minute, you guys didn't hype these up. Like, I didn't even hype up the mid-century circles, because to me, they were just like standard. They just had the mid-century circles design. But these are gorgeous, and I'm going to tell you why. The script right here. The script did it for me. Like, it did it for me. So I did, excuse me, I bought these. So, because I always use them. I love using the habit trackers to track my water in my petite planner. But when I got to this sheet, I went off. I was like, hand me a chancla. I need to throw it at somebody. But this is the sheet that the sticker pack that I hyped up on Instagram. To me, it's just beautiful. The script is beautiful. I absolutely loved it. It's just gorgeous. And I have like 5 more in my cart, and I'm going to give one away. And then these are the appointment labels that I like to use. I like using these particular stickers in my petite planner. But like I said, if you got the Flora planner and you didn't hype these stickers that were in the back of your planner up, shame on you. Because guess what? These scripts, they did it for me. They did it for me. They did it. And then the last thing that I got was which you have already seen it. I made a video planning my week in it already. Is the Just My Type vertical planner. I did not get a removable cover. I did end up getting a vegan leather cover, and of course, again, I will say I will blame Desiree Plans for that, because she showed hers and I was like, yeah, like the vegan leather. But I got it in like this, I call it blue jean blue. So that's what it is. It does come with the ruler. This is the vellum. This particular planner, the vellum does not have any design on it, which is fine. And then here is your front page, and it is the colorful planner. I wanted this particular one because I like the fact that the tabs and the I call this the dashboard, which it's not, but each quote page has color, but the spread itself does not. So that's why I wanted this planner. And I'm kind of, and like I explained in my last video, I'm kind of at an impasse on my horizontal, which I have not abandoned my horizontal. I promise you I have not. I'm at an impasse between my horizontal and wanting to try to plan in the vertical planner. So right now I'm just going through the basics with you, showing you each tab. It's the standard vertical planner, which, if I'm not mistaken, one time before, these little spaces right here were a part of the planner. They took them away. Now they're back. Again, if I'm wrong, please correct me. I'm not 100% sure about that. Again, if I'm wrong, please correct me. But that's where I am with my planner. I don't have what they call planner peace. I'm just trying to get some type of satisfaction. The color tabs also do not follow in line with the traditional Erin Condren colors that corresponds with the month, which is fine. Not really stressed about it. It doesn't bother me. But I just wanted a planner with some color, but not always on my spreads. I want to be able to add color to my spreads when I want. So that's the beauty of this particular planner. And the script spoke to me Some of it reminds me of the 70s. I am a 70s baby. And for some reason, I like that particular, you know, the fonts and scripts. It just reminds me of that particular time, which I'm a 79 baby, so I really don't know anything about it, but you know, pictures and things like that. And then I love the cursive script. This is so beautiful, you guys. When I say they have outdone themselves this year, they really, really have. So I'm just going through and showing you all of the quotes. And then of course, you get notes pages, you get your contact page, your future look at 2023 if you have any major events coming up like weddings, things like that. And then you have the stickers in the back. Like I said, this is their standard script. So it was like, okay, yay. But when I saw the floor, I was like, ooh, wait a minute, hold on. Okay, as you can see, I've been planning in this. I have been planning in this planner. And then you get your additional holidays that come standard now with all of their planners, and then your perpetual calendar. So that is it for this particular haul. You guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm trying a new format with my videos. Hopefully you guys like it and watch it all the way through. I'm revamping my name, or not my name, my brand. Trying to make things a little bit, you know, have me more engaged with you guys. So yeah, but that is it for this particular video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. I will have links to all these items below. If you would just go show Erin Condren that I brought you to their site and that you support this channel. If you purchase anything, thank you. If you've ever used my link to purchase anything, thank you. What it does, it gives me like a little payday so I can continue to buy planner supplies, stickers, and things like that and bring them to my channel. Also, it also helps with if I want to purchase lights. I'm in the process of saving to buy a new camera so I can, you know, just have a better quality of picture. And I'm also in the process of buying a bigger desk. So yeah, using my links to shop really helps me out. So other than that, thank you so much. And in the meantime and between time, you guys be safe, be blessed, and you all have a wonderful day. Bye.